Jeff's driving school. Yankee Doodle Senior Song. Excuse me, we're trying to find you.
I just want to look at him. Come on, get in.
Hi, Fishy. How are you?
No, we're soaking wet. Thanks a lot.
Look.
Oh,
It's like a shark.
oh my gosh.
Emily.
Stop looking at me weird.
Emily.
Oh, freaking.
Ow! You're on
breaks.
my leg. It won't break. It's too thick. Look. Look at that fishy.
It's cool.
Dang, that's a big fish.
Oh, these are pretty. I think they're blind.
We're swimming. Look at those. Aren't those ugly? It looks like Jareel.
Oh, I hate swimming with these.
They're all weird and lazy.
See if you can see me on the other side.
What?
See, you see that other side?
No. Oh, okay. I'll go over there.
All right.
You sit in the bubble.
Let's run.
Emily's all the way over there. See her in the bubble? Okay, let's go back. Turtles. Let's go upstairs. Let's go look at the fishies real quick. Oh, there's a fat fishy.
Did you see me?
Let's go upstairs. Yeah.
Watch me go down the upstairs.
We're at Bass Pro Shop if you didn't notice. Okay, Emily, go. Run. She's gonna try to go down the up. Look at the man.
That's my dad.
That's my dad too. There's your dad too.
That's my dad too.
Look, it's you, an antelope.
Oh, my antelope.
Look, that's her other daddy.
My daddy.
Look, that's so pretty. Boy, we just came live and like ate us.
It's just Barca. Let's go over there.
You can't go over there.
Over there.
Gobble, gobble. I'm a turkey.
Or is that my mom? Look at that baby.
Where's your baby?
There, and stole it.
No. Look, it's Emily. No, you're the middle one right there with like the zebra. Look, Emily's gonna crash and die. I'm just kidding. She's gonna live, I hope. Look at that big one.